If I said that you had £60 and you wanted to split it with the fraction of a third, then the way that it would be written is to say calculate a third of £60. This could be thought of in the same way that we had before with, get my paintbrush, with the same diagram. So I could draw this as a rectangle and cut it into three, so each one of these is a third. If the whole box represents £60, then each one of these is going to represent £20. It's a third of 60. So 1/3 of £60 would just be £20. But could you do this without a diagram? Well, if it said in part B then a fifth of £40, yeah, you could. What you do is you multiply the numerator of the fraction, which is 1, by the number, which is 40. So the way you could write this is to say 40 times 1, all divided by 5, which would be, well, 40 divided by 5 is just going to be 8. In example 2, you can see now that it's, rather than saying 1/4, it's now 3/4. So how could you do this algebraically without using a diagram? You could say it's 3 times 700. Oops, 700. All divided by 4. You could do this on a calculator, or you could just say that 3 times 7 is 21, with 2 zeros. All divided by 4. If you divide something by 4, you just halve it and then halve it again. So 21 divided by 4 is going to be 5.25, but with the 2 zeros on it would make it 525. To do the next example then, 5/7 of 21, it's the same idea. So it's going to be 5 times 21, all divided by 7. Now I'm going to do a shortcut here. Rather than doing 5 times 21, I'm going to spot that 21 can be divided by 7. And I can do this one first because it's a times in between. So I can cancel out the 21 divided by 7 to give me 3. Overall, this is going to just be 5 times 3, because the 21 over 7 just becomes a 3. And then this is simply just going to be 15. Now to make sure that this actually makes sense, 5/7 is going to be less than 1. So the answer is going to be less than 21, and 15 is less than 21, so I think that looks about right.